So why would a young Canadian blacksmith decide to use the imperial system rather than the metric? You see, in Canada, just like many other countries that are way too influenced by the French, we've chosen to use the metric system as our standard since my grandparents' generation. And though many youngins like myself like to balk at the imperial system, it has many practical advantages over the metric, especially in the blacksmith shop. And that's because if you take 1 inch and you divide it in half, you get half an inch, and then half of that is a 1/4 inch, and half of that is an 1/8, and then half of that is a 1/16. In fact, this old Chesterman ruler is broken up into 32nds and 64ths. And so for the blacksmith, we have very little use to break things up into tens and hundreds. Rather, we're dealing in fractions and ratios. So that's why a measuring unit that's broken up into fractions instead of decimals can be handier. And alternatively, if you need precise measuring in decimals, you can use thousandths of an inch. I will also say I find the inches very distance itself to be a handy measurement in the shop here. Or in other words,
inches are just better.